If we look at Lexington South, right now it's 11:10 on my second phone, and this phone has no top dasher status, just regular. I would not be able to dash until status changed, and the status has not changed since I got to Lexington around 10:45. So not sure if I'll be able to be successful if I'm planning to do full day of work without top dashing, dash anytime option. And as some of you know, if you're not a top dasher, scheduling doesn't really work, because I know the months that I was not a top dasher in the beginning, before I even figure out what is a top dasher thing 4 months ago. Yeah, that's normal when they don't need you, even you're scheduled, but they don't need you to have, a better status with the top dashers, give more work to top dashers. Yeah, they throw you off and you lose your schedule position if you're not holding
Turn left onto the Kentucky 4 West ramp.
70% acceptance rate. And that's DoorDash. That's how they do it. They want you to take all of the trash. Or let's put it this way. None of the orders are a trash. It's just that DoorDash turns those orders into trash.
In a quarter mile, merge onto Kentucky 4 West
by not paying a fair delivery fee. Oh, wow. I can dash now. I don't know. I'll be watching my second phone today while I am using on my second phone the Uber and Grubhub, and see how realistic. Because, like I said, I'm never doing the top dasher thing again, but at the same time,
in 1.5 miles, take exit 2 for US 68 West toward Harrisburg.
I need to prove to myself that top dasher is truly not worth it. I can be fine and I can make the money, because as you guys know from my previous video, I tried to not share that on the web, but yesterday I lost it. I couldn't grab hold of myself. I was just crying. I just miss my baby. Oh, and it's gone again. I guess some people jumped on, and we got enough of drivers again in the area. So, I guess, Pedro, you're right. It can quickly go red and then go gray again, and you can try to take advantage of that when it does that. So, at least now I know that there is that dash now option. Oh, right now again, you can dash. What was I talking about? I am trying to throw myself into work, since there's nobody home, nobody's waiting, and part of the thing that I was sick for a couple of weeks, it was just part of the depression that they left, that she's gone. But there's one thing that I know what to do, and that is throw myself into work. So my goal is actually bring in $1,200 a day on the days that I work full days, and try to push $1,400 a week, and and also make some money so I can purchase the app. Somebody that I wanted, that I was approaching them as an investor. I spoke with them a couple times, and I'm changing my mind. I'm not sure I want them as investors. It's gonna be more of a headache with them. I can probably talk with a couple of restaurants and see if I can raise money that way. We'll see how that will turn out. But just, guys, a quick update on this. During the just recording, we've been doing red and gray, released twice. So I'll continue watching. Hey guys, be blessed. Unless you know how to deal with this lost thing, missed thing, I would please just don't comment, oh, I feel you, just that stuff, because that just reminds me and makes it more painful. Be blessed.